Okay, for the Flipgrid and how to do it and add to your Google slide, it's pretty easy. I have to do a lot on my end in order for you to put the video onto your slide. But first, if you look in your introduction on your rubric, your major languages, you guys know from class that you need to create the Flipgrid video of yourself speaking the language, saying whatever friendly phrase you want to. Okay, so again, you guys know that um, you have your continent, and whatever continent you're in is where you'll be recording your Flipgrid video. Okay, so first you know that you have to um, find out whatever your most popular language is, and then on your Google slide, this is a sample slide, you're going to type your foreign language and translation here. So in English, you type in whatever the phrase is, and then whatever your major language is, type the translation here. Okay, this is where you're going to embed your video, and I'll show you how to do that. Again, from Flipgrid, you guys cannot do that yourself. You have to wait for me to approve your Flipgrid video once you record. Then I have to download it and share it with you. So what happens is you guys will get a notification in your shared with me folder, and you'll say, for example, this is your video of you recording in Flipgrid. You two-finger click on it and click add to my drive. Once you add it to your drive, then you're able to put it into your slides. So in order to do that, you would go to insert, video, and you can click on my drive or recent because you just added it, and it would come up right there, and click on it and click select. So once you do that, the video will appear, and you can just resize it and move it. It doesn't have to be the video on the left and the text on the right. It can be the opposite, but you do need to have it here. We will test all of the links to make sure that they do play, because when you're in present mode, you want to make sure that everyone can see your video. Okay, so we will do that before International Day. I'll show you how all together in class.